How to fix FIFA 23 controller or gamepad not working. So if you want to fix your FIFA 23 controller or gamepad not working on your PC, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with Bluetooth. And from your Bluetooth here, you need to turn on your Bluetooth. And you need to scroll down and you'll find a lot of Bluetooth connections right here. So you just need simply go with your controller. Go with your controller name. Once you find your controller name, click on it and then you'll be able to pair it. If not, you can also go with more Bluetooth options right here. And then you can go with allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC. Make sure that this is turned on and then go with apply and OK. If that doesn't work, then what you need to do is just simply go with the name, click on it, and then go with remove device. Click on yes, and then again repair, and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't work, then you just need to simply go with the right side. On the top, you will have devices and printers. You need to click on that, and then you will have devices right here. You'll have the controller icon. You can click on the controller and you'll be able to connect it. If that still doesn't work, then you just need to simply go with your settings, and then here you need to search for troubleshoot settings. Once you're here, you need to go with additional troubleshooters and then go with Bluetooth, go with run the troubleshooter. Just wait for a few minutes and your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.